Thank you so much for attending. Hindi talaga waste yung pag-attend nyo ngayong gabi kasi marami tayong matututunan ngayon. Mamaya, meron po tayong open forum. Tayong mag-introduce sa ating napakagandang speaker. So, equally beautiful also, Senior Marketing Director from Cebu, Miss Madette Ermac. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Ma'am Ray. Good evening. So our speaker for tonight is a police officer, and she's been with the IMG for quite months now. So she's a senior marketing director doing part-time in IMG business. Let us all welcome Senior Marketing Director, Shermine Pitonye. Go ahead, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Mom, for that very warm introduction of mine. So, good evening again, and welcome to International Marketing Group. Then, here in IMG, we will learn the basic financial handling to earn money, to save in a smart way, and to invest correctly. So, meron tayong matutunan na hindi natin nalaman sa school na totally will change our vision in terms of finances. Paano ba nag-start ang crusade ng International Marketing Group dito po sa bansa natin? So, in an interview of one of our president and chairman of the board, Dr. Joanne de las Peñas, he was an eye doctor by profession. So, he went to US and fell in love with a mission to bring financial education here in our country. So, together with his friends, si Sir Noel Arandalla and Sir Bart Borja, nakita nila na marami pong mga Filipino who needed financial education. They put up the International Marketing Group to spread financial education dito sa Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. International Marketing Group started in the Philippines in the year 1998. So we are one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services companies sa bansa natin. Then assist people who wants to help themselves achieve financial security through financial education and building a proper financial foundation. We have established partnerships with the biggest companies in the financial industry like Jollibee, Petron, Ayala, SMDC, Robinsons. Here in ING, tuturuan namin kayo paano kayo maging shareholder sa mga company na yon. We have been able to have thousands of associates take advantages of the ING opportunity with a flexible time, commitment, and schedule. We have already helped thousands of associates, not just thousands, but millions of associates already member ni ING. Then we have proven system that helps you build a successful business. Dahil meron po tayong system na sinusunod, we just have to follow the system, then we will be successful in this business. Maging coachable lang po tayo. So, by 2030, meron ng 30 million Filipinos financially educated around the globe. Dahil ang misyon ni ING hindi nag-stop dito sa Philippines. Hindi lang sa Brunei, hindi lang sa Singapore, Dubai, kundi around the globe. So we have financial center here sa Cebu, sa GY Square. We have also sa Makati. We have Europe tour sa Paris, Den Haag, Barcelona, Milan, Belgium, London. Kaya unstoppable po si ING at kahit ang pandemic, hindi nakapigil sa mission nito. Dahil katulad ngayon, so meron na tayong Zoom to reach out people. Dahil ayon pa nga sa Blue Book natin, financial education is not just for the wealthy. It's for everyone. Tayong mga average person, need pala natin to, much needed natin to para maiahon natin ang ating sarili, ang ating pamilya, kung ano yung status natin ngayon. Our President, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, also endorses financial education. Ito na Blue Book, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Brother Bo Sanchez is also a contributor of this book po, si Dr. Joanne de las Peñas, si Sir Bart Borja, and Sir Noel Arandalla. Then, challenging future. A large number of Filipinos will face increasing challenges in these four major areas. First, an uncertain labor market. Automation and powerful software continue to replace more and more workers. Mas pipiliin ng company na ito ng mga robot ang magtatrabaho. Kasi itong robot na to, wala itong 13-month pay, walang SSS, walang PhilHealth. Then, hindi yan magre-reklamo, di ba? So, manufacturing jobs are moving overseas to cut costs. Then second, low savings and high debt have a major impact on retirement. So many people have to work beyond 65 years of age to survive. So paano ba to? Diba, while we are in our younger years, hindi natin naisip ang mag-savings. Puro tayo, tsaka na lang, sa susunod na lang, bata pa ako para dyan. Until such time na nakapag-asawa ka na pala, hindi mo na lang namalayan na meron ka na palang mga anak. Then hindi mo namalayan na mas taas na ipon mo is ito palang utang. So, ano ang mangyayari kung mataas ang utang compare sa savings? So, imbis na pay off day, magiging pay off debt. Yung sahod mo, halos hindi mo na lang mahawakan dahil ipagbayad mo na sa mga utang mo. Diba reality yan? So, ito po, statistics of retirees. 23% is still working. Matatanda na, pero is still working. Ano bang nangyari? Siguro, at their younger age, may trabaho sila pero hindi nila napansin ang mag-save. Anong mangyayari ngayon? So, they need to work for survival, for their daily needs. Then, 30% dependent on charity. Dependent sa gobyerno natin. Then, 45% dependent on their children. Tradition natin, culture natin. Paano kung yung mga anak natin may pamilya na rin? Pag dito ka sa 2%, maging financially dependent ka kahit di ka hihingi sa mga anak mo. Kung meron kang masakit sa katawan, kaya mong magpagamot dahil meron kang healthcare. So, mas maganda itong si 2%. So, failing to plan is planning to fail. So, where do you see yourself when you retire? Kung ano yung status mo ngayon, ito ba ay for long term? Ito ba ay kaya pa hanggang sa katandaan mo? So, failing to plan is lack of financial education. So, here in ING, we are here to help you. We are here to teach you this financial education. Then, the high cost of education as well as lack of preparation for college planning will hurt your younger generation. So, alam na natin na habang meron tayong anak, papag-aralin talaga natin yan. Darating talaga na magiging college ang mga yan. So, habang able pa yung katawan natin, dapat mag-prepare na tayo sa pang-college ng mga anak natin para pagdating ng panahon, kaya natin silang pag-aralin. Hindi na tayo makautang. So, ngayon pa lang, gawa na natin ang paraan. Ngayon pa lang, maging handa na tayo sa future ng mga anak natin. Kasi right ng mga anak natin na pag-aralin natin sila. Then, increasing cost of living make people have difficulty in saving money for their future needs. So, every 5 years, every 10 years, nagtataas ang presyuhan sa mga needs natin. So, ngayon pa lang, paghandaan natin. So, kung hindi natin paghandaan itong inflation, when the need arises, lalo na kung may magkasakit sa family, then wala tayong naitabing savings, the only option is utang. So, dapat paghandaan natin itong increasing cost of living. Control your future. Your future is not in the hands of your employer, your agency, or in the government, neither in the hands of your bank. And so working hard is not enough. We need to work smart dahil we know already how to make money. Pagka Pilipino, madiskarte. Then, save money. But in saving your money, smart way ba? Right way ba? Then, accumulate money. Nag-accumulate ba ito? Then, protect money. Dapat protected yung money natin. Hindi ba to scam? Be your own money manager. Understand how money works. Then, make money work for you. Hindi yung tayo lang permi hahabol sa pera. Hindi yung parati na lang na tayo yung pagod na pagod. But we need to work dahil we need money. So, why is financial education important? The rich gets richer, which is good to them. Anong alam nila na wala tayo? We, the average person, also has the right to become wealthy. With the right information, one will have the same opportunity as the wealthy people. Then Bill Gates said, if you born poor, it is not a mistake. But if you die poor, it is a mistake. Dahil pareho lang tayong may 24 hours a day. Bakit naging productive yung araw nila? Pero tayo, bakit ganun pa rin yung kita natin? Itong strong financial foundation, kahit anong mangyari, kahit may crisis na aabot sa buhay natin financially, strong tayo. Hindi tayo basta-basta matitina. So, like building a house, we must build it from the ground. Kailangan yung pundasyon ang pinakamatibay. So, ang una, is proper healthcare para meron tayong mapupuntahan. Alam nyo ba na 90% ang dahilan ng bankruptcy ay dahil sa unexpected na hospitalization. This can greatly affect or upset a person's budget. Ito po ang dahilan kung bakit nabibenta ng murang halaga ang mga ari-arian para may pangbayad sa ospital, may pangbili ng gamot. So, itong si healthcare, this will provide us. No need na tayong mangutang. No need na tayong magbenta ng mga ari-arian. Yan na ipundar na natin. Need talaga itong proper healthcare. Then, life protection. Pag makarinig tayo ng insurance, yung tenga natin para yang magko-close kasi very negative tayo sa life insurance. Pero bakit kailangan natin itong life insurance or life protection? What if we belong sa life is too short? Then meron tayong maiiwan na instant money para makabayad sa mga maiiwang responsibilities and liabilities. Then, if meron kayong mga anak na maliliit pa, then meron kang instant money na pang school nila. Lalo na if breadwinner ka sa family mo. Then, debt management. Eliminate yung mga utang na sobrang taas ang interest. Then, dapat alamin kung ano ang mga needs at ano ang want para hindi magka-problema sa budget. Kasi yung pera natin, 15-30, naka-budget na yan. Hindi pa yan dumating. Meron na yung babayaran. Di ba? Then, have an emergency fund. Dapat mag-set aside ka ng 3 to 6 months of your income. Lalo na dito sa bansa natin, maraming bagyong dadaan, maraming lindol na mangyayari. If may kailangan i-repair sa bahay, sa sasakyan, for emergency, meron tayong fund. So, no need na tayong mangutang. Then, build up savings or investment. Ito pa lang si investment, doon sa pinaka-taas. Kasi, pag meron ka na nito sa bamba, kompleto na yan, yung investment mo, magko-compound interest na lang yan. Hindi na yan babagsak. Kasi pag wala ka nito sa baba, ang mangyayari dyan, pag may magkasakit, yung profit mo plus yung capital mo, makukuha yan. Then, back to zero ka na naman. Hindi pang long-term na investment. So here, we need long-term investment na hindi na tayo pabalik-balik na cycle. So let's build a strong financial foundation. Then, the X-curve concept. Meron pa tayong tinatawag na law of building wealth and law of decreasing responsibility. While younger, mababa pa yung savings natin or totally no savings. So, you need to work hard for the money. Dahil kailangan natin ng food, kailangan natin ng shelter, clothing, most importantly, education for our children, then health. Then, nagbabayad pa tayo sa mga utang natin and loans. Habang pataas pala yung edad natin, kailangan natin i-build yung money line natin pataas. The responsibility line natin pababa. Pagtanda natin, meron tayong tinatawag na passive income. Money works for us. Kasi protected na yung sarili mo or yung family mo. What if I die too soon? Who will take care of my family? Tama na ba yung savings ko? So the solution here is life insurance. Dahil meron tayong instant money na makukuha. Then what if I live too long? Mataas yung buhay ko. Aabot ako ng 90 years old, 80 years old, or 100 years old. Who will take care of me? Yung mga anak ko, magkakapamilya na yan, whether I like it or not. So the solution is investment, healthcare, or long-term care. Money working for you. So, itong tatlo na to, itong 3 major financial needs. So, ito po, si Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. Si Kaiser, the only healthcare na merong sariling clinic. Merong maraming accredited hospitals. So, 7 years lang po na nagsisave ka. If you age 10 years to 40 years old, para ka lang nagsisave ng 80 pesos per day. 13 years to wait dahil 20 years po ang kanyang maturity. Meron waivers due to death. So after 1 year of paying with Kaiser, meron ka ng annual physical examination benefits. BCG, urinalysis, pap smear, then dental benefits. yung makukuha ng beneficiaries due to natural death is 400,000. Depende po kasi yung plan na kukunin mo. If ang cause of death ng plan holder is accidental, times 2 is maging 900,000. Then, hindi mawawala yung plan. Kasi kung sino yung first beneficiary mo, doon mapupunta ang plan mo. No need na siyang magbayad. Magiging fully paid na po yung plan. Ang sa kanya na lang is mag-enjoy sa benefits, then mag-intay ng maturity. Ito pong sample by age bracket ni Kaiser. Only 7 years of investment. Meron tayong monthly, meron tayong quarterly, semi-annual, and annual. The Supreme Court, House of Representatives, Department of Agrarian Reform. Ang HMO provider nila is Kaiser. Then, ito po yung license ni Kaiser under Insurance Commission. Then, how do we make money? To work for us. Ito yung sabi ko kanina. Ito po ay invented po ni Albert Einstein. Dito mo malalaman kailan magdodoble ang money mo. For example po itong mga number na to, no? With a 4% annual interest. So 72 divided by 4 equals 18. So every 18 years, magdo-double yung money mo. Example po itong age of 29, you invested 100,000, your 100,000 will double to 200,000. So at the age of 65, you have 400,000 with this 4% interest. So what if with 8% interest annual? So 72 divided by 8 equals 9. So every 9 years, nagdo-double yung money mo. At the age of 65, you have 1,600,000. So much bigger. So what if meron pang 12% annual na tubo ng pera? So 72 divided by 12 equals 6. Every 6 years, magdo-double yung money mo. At the age of 65, meron kang 6,400,000. Ang tubo pala ng pera mo, 6,400,000. Yung binigay sa'yo is 400,000. Sino ba ito si mutual fund? So itong mutual fund ay sila si Sodibo Fund, si Atram, si FAMI, Phil Equity, Sun Life, Phil Asset. As low as 1,000 pesos, you can start investing in mutual funds. Then saan aabot yung 1,000 pesos mo? So ito po, Mr. A up to say Mr. E, mga investor ito. Nilagay nila sa mutual fund. So nilagay nila either ni Sodibo, ni Atram, ni FAMI, ni Phil Equity, ni Sun Life. Then meron silang mga fund managers or fund expert, fund driver. Sila yung nagdra-drive sa fund natin. Then tayo, mga investor, ay fund passenger. Fund driver, sila yung magdadala sa pera. Sila nila yan ng stocks or bonds. Bibilihan nila yan ng shares. Tatawag ka na shareholder. Lahat ng mga company na to, kung magkano yung kita nila, equally proportionate sa nilagay mo na investment. Hindi ka na plain consumer. Then, ano ba ito? Mga 35 benefits once magiging ING member ka. First, free ebook, The Secret to Save and Building Your Future. Maganda po ito na book. Number 2, free ebook, financial workbook. Benefit number 3 to 7, e-workshop, how to have an increased cash flow, tuturuan tayo. E-workshop 2, building strong financial foundation. Then building wealth, retirement planning. Habang bata pa tayo, kailangan mag-plan na tayo sa retirement natin. Kasi ang panahon, ang oras, hindi na yan babalik. Building a business in the financial industry. If you want to do business here ni ING, magiging successful ka talaga. Then number 8, free financial check-up. If may masakit sa katawan natin, pupunta tayo ng isang doktor. Pag may masakit sa ngipin natin, pupunta tayo ng dentist. If masakit pala yung bulsa natin, we need financial check-up. Meron pa tayo dito ni ING. Free po yan. To stay financially healthy. Number 9, if you want to then associate financial planners, and if member ka ni ING, 1.5 lang po, discounted ka kasi pag regular, 5,000 yan. Then sa abroad, ang regular price niyan is 16,000. But pag ING member ka, 2.5 po yan. So, napakalaking discount. So, number 10, benefits. Meron kang 100,000 free personal accident insurance from Manila Bankers. If maging senior marketing director ka up to executive marketing director, meron kang 200,000. CEO have 300,000. Ang policy po nito, ang certificate po nito is anywhere. Rentable po yan. Nandyan lang po yan sa dashboard mo. Then, number 11, benefits. benefit, 50,000 life insurance covered from Fidelity Life. Ito po is optional lang po. You will just add 500 pesos. Then number 12, IMG Vision Care. We have 2 eye frames free every year. Free na po yung check-up. Yung eye frames dyan is nag-worth ng 4,535. Then ito po yung sample ng mga pictures namin when we went to De Los Reyes Opticals SM, then Kaiser Medical Center sa SM Seaside. Then ito po yung mga certificate of membership with Fidelity. Then, Manila Bunkers sa personal accident insurance. Meron po yan, printable. Hindi po tayo nagsasalita dito na walang patunay. Then, number 13, free unlimited consultation for members. Benefit number 14, sa mga immediate family members natin, discounted po sila sa Kaiser Medical Center, including na po yung mga laboratories. Then, number 15, ito po yung investment side ni IMG. All new members become automatic mutual fund investor. Yung 1,000 pesos ay magiging initial investment in Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. So, automatic po yan na magiging shareholder ka. Pagdating sa dashboard mo, makikita mo kung magkano yung nabili mo sa 1,000 pesos mo na shares. So, ito po yung itsura ng mutual fund sa dashboard mo. Makikita talaga yan. Very transparent talaga si IMG sa lahat ng transaction natin. Then number 16, the healthcare products and services. Yung kanina na diniscuss natin. The long-term care, para ka lang nagsisave ng 7 years. Then short-term care na every year magre-renew. Then senior care sa mga nanay at lula natin na hindi na covered ng long-term care or short-term care. Then number 17, life insurance exclusive to IMG members with multiple options super term. Most 18. Then IRA and Everest Memorial Solution. Number 18, pag mag-open ka ng mutual fund, here ni IMG, no entry fee po tayo. And we have also free investment seminars. Then access to stock online trading platform. If meron ka ng background sa stock market, you have free investment guidance. You have free analysis. You have free updates kung ano bang maganda. Then, number 20, if gusto mong magpaganda, meron po tayo dito. Meron po tayong members price at Ozone International. Then, number 21, Palawan Express, pera padala, partner na po ni IMG. Exclusive to all IMG members and IMG transactions. Then, number 22, save money on your non-life insurance. If meron kang sasakyan, ikaw na lang yung kumuha ng car insurance mo. If meron kang mga kaibigan na may mga sasakyan, dyan na lang sila kukuha ng insurance sa'yo. Then, travel insurance. If your house cost millions, then i-insured mo. Kasi hindi natin alam yung panahon, di ba? Then, personal accident, bond, marine cargo, meron po tayo dyan. Then, number 23, members discount from real estate companies from SMDC, Ayala Land, DMCI. So, ito po yung mga partner na discounted ka. If meron ka ring kaibigan, then ikaw yung naka-refer, then meron ka ring commission. Then number 24, Heaven Infinity Memorial Garden. If you want, mag-buy and sell ka ng memorial lots, meron din tayo. Then number 25 to 28, if you want to talk online, na effective, that people will love you and buy from you, meron din tayo dyan. Passive selling through the power of email marketing. Gusto mong gumawa ng libro, then case study. Merong tutulong sa inyo. Then number 29, the Everest Memorial Services. If may member ni IMG, then may mawala sa part of the family, meron po tayo si Everest Memorial Service. 24/7 Memorial Concierge Service. Tatawag ka lang po sa number na ito, Memorial Coordinator. Then number 30, protect your assets by creating your own corporation through IMAX, Asset Preservation Service. Then itong number 31, isa sa pinakasikat na benefit ni IMG, itong auto program. Marami na pong member ni IMG na napakalaking discount. Bumili ng Nissan Navara, naka-discount ng 170,000. Sport, naka-discount ng malaki. Dahil direkta ka na sa company. Wala nang ahente. So, you will get huge savings and personalized assistance and enjoy a hassle-free car purchase. So number 32, be in a financial industry. Ito po yung mga rewards. Own a business. If you do business here in ING, ikaw yung may hawak. Ikaw yung driver sa business mo. Magdidepende yan sa'yo. Then become a financial educator. Katulad ko, I share the ING mission. Sinishare ko sa mga kakilala ko. Sinishare ko sa family ko. Own your time. Then, online system. Help families. Before you help other family, help your family first. Achieve the income you want. You are equally compensated. Become debt-free. Dahil you follow the Solid Financial Foundation, then travel the world, vacation, cruises, conventions, then world-class recognition. Ito po na mga ring na to, nagre-represent po ito ng iba't ibang kita sa isang taon. You will become a marketing director, you will get pens, you will get polo, then watch, then car. This year, meron nakatanggap ng 4 na car. Kasi they qualified. Then, number 35, the free HMO coverage from Kaiser. If magiging marketing director ka, you will get 70,000 per illness. As senior marketing director, up to executives, you will have 100,000 per illness if you meet the minimum requirement. Napakalaking tulong na. So, ito po yung mga sample pictures ko. I spread the news with my co-office mate. Kailangan talaga itong sa mga kabaro ko kasi alam ko kung ano ang buhay ng isang pulis. Alam ko kung gaano kami ka-high risk. Hindi namin alam, meron na palang galit sa amin. Then, mga pamilyado na kami. So, we really need to be secured. Lalo na sa family natin. Then, millionaire ring earner in different walks of life. 22 years already in ING. Si Ma'am Jessica Estorio is 18 years in ING. Sa YouTube naman, makikita natin itong mga turning point story nila. So, gusto nyo pong magpa-member, ito po yung mga bank, puhulugan natin. Then, you will always have an excuse not to save or invest. No matter what your excuse is, one thing is for sure, you're going to get old next year. Ano yung hindi mo nagawa last year na pwede mo nang gawin ngayon? So, wag na tayong maghintay ng bukas. Kasi yung bukas, iba na naman yan. Diba sayang yung panahon, hindi na yan maibabalik. I am Charmin Bitonio Pito. Thank you so much for listening and for attending this Zoom meeting. So thank you so much everyone and God bless us all.